So the question is asking you need to find the surface area of this shape. Okay. So what I can see here, I see rectangles, right? That I can, if I can cut this in half, or as they cut it here vertically, right? I have different rectangular shapes. Okay. So if I'm looking at A1, so this is your A1 right here. Okay. How many have? I can't count it as 4 because this side right here, right? This part right here is not the same, okay? Because when you're looking at surface area, you're looking at painting, okay? I'm not going to paint this part. So I have one on this side. Actually, no. Okay, let's figure out the sizes first. Okay, can you guys read this? I can't read. Okay, that's better. Okay, if this is 27, right, that means this is 27, which means this is 27, right? If this is 27, that means this is 27. That means this is 27 right here. Right, which makes this 27 and this 27. Are we okay with that? Now, the bottom one is 78. If this is 45, what leaves me for this one? What leaves me for this side? What do I do to find this length?
Minus 45 and 78.
That's right. So if you do 78 minus 45, what do you get? 33, right? So that means if I'm looking at this side here is 33. Okay? So this is 33, that means this is 33, that means this is 33. So if I'm looking here, eyes on me for a second. This, which is A1, I only have another one that's similar to it, which is on the back side. Okay? So that means I have 2 of the A1. Okay? So I have 2 times A1. And the formula for A1 is length times width. Okay? So it's going to be, do we know so the length is 55 and the width is 33. So I have 2 times 33 times 55, which is 3630. And that's centimeters squared. Are we okay with this? Now I'm just going to move on with the same naming that they've named. So I have A2. A2 is right here. So A2 is right here. How many A2s do I have? So how many of the A2s do I have? 2. This one and the one behind it, right? So again, I have 2 A2, and A2 is made of the 45. Now, what do we know what this length is? This one? What is it? 30, right? Because this right here is the same as this, right? So if this is 30, that means this is 30. So it's going to be 2 times 30 times 45. Which is 2,700 centimeter squared. So I did A1, A2. So what they pointed at A3 as, they pointed as the bottom. Okay? How many sides do I have that are similar to the bottom? That are similar to the bottom. That's it, right? Just the bottom. There's only one face that's similar to that one, right? Because the top is made of different things. Okay? So I only have one A3, and that would be this whole length times this width, right? Which means it's 78 by 27. Okay? Please stop me if you don't understand what I'm saying. So that's 2106. Now we're moving to A4. So A4, they're pointing at this side here, at the left side. How many sides are similar to the A4? Why? So this side, the back, but the back is similar to A1, right? So that side here is made of 27 by 55. I can't take this side as similar to it because this one does not have the bottom, right? So if I'm going to paint this, I'm not going to paint the inside of this side, okay? So I only have one A4, okay? It's only that outside A4, only one, okay? This one is not complete. The right side is not complete, and this side, the A6, is not complete. Okay? So in this case, I only have one A4, and that is 55 by 27. Now A5 is the top of the first rectangular prism. So if I'm looking at the top, is there any other sides that are similar to this one? A6. Well, let's look at what A5 is made of, okay? A5 is made of 27 by 33, right? So it's made of 27 by 33. A6 is 27. What's this height? What would this height be? You guys have to see that this whole thing is equal to 55, right? This right here is 30. So if I remove 30 from 55, that's going to give me 25. Okay? So that's going to be 25 by 27. This one's 27 by 33. Are they the same? No. So they're not the same. They're totally different. Okay? So you always look at the top and the bottom. Okay? Or if you're looking at this face, then you're going to look at the back face. Okay? Do I have anything similar to the A5 at the bottom? No, because I've already counted for that under A3. Right? So you're looking at something that looks like this. Right? You're looking at something that looks like this. with pretend that there is another, like this is continuous down there. Okay? So you have the whole bottom, right? But for the top side, you only have A5. You only have this, right? Because for the bottom, I've already counted for the whole thing. Okay? So I only have one A5. Which is 27 by 33. I also have only one A6. Okay, and we said A6 is 27 by 25. Also, I only have one A8, right? Because the bottom part is already counted for. So only one A7. And A7 is made of 45 by 27. And that will bring us to A8, and A8 is made of the 30 by the 27. Also, I have only one of them. And then to find your final answer, you're going to have to add all of these up. Let me just review something here with you guys. For this one, I have the front and I have the back. So I have two of the A1. Correct? Do you agree with me on that? Okay, so I have the front and the back. For A2, which is this one, I also have two of them, right? The front and the back. For A3, which is the bottom, I only have one. A4, which is this side, I only have one. A5, I only have one. A6, I only have one. A7, I only have one. A8, I only have one. But you see that I've already counted to all the sides. This in the back, this in the back, the bottom, and then the other sides. Okay? You have to make sure that you find your area of all the sides, and then at the end you're going to add them all. Okay? So to find the surface area right here, this is not only hard because it's 3D, it's hard because it's a 3D composite. Okay? So that's why it's harder than the usual. So to find the surface area, I'm going to add all of them together. And I got 13,512 centimeter square.